Hi, my name is Shailesh.
Hi, my name is Alfian. The two of us, along with Bimal and Anshu, are co-founders of Maven Inc. We started Maven because we are strong believers in expanding internet access across the world. Both of us have many family members and friends who live in Asia. For this generation, the smartphone truly is their first and only personal computer. However, a surprising number of people won't turn on mobile data plans on their smartphones because of cost.
So, we believe there needs to be a new and innovative approach to bringing these cost conscious consumers online. We've built an Android based platform that enables low cost, ad subsidized data plans. Now, the need for low cost internet access exists not just in Asia, but all over the emerging markets, and in fact, also here among certain demographic segments of the United States. We want to be the ones to basically bring the next 1 billion consumers online. We're running a small pilot among a couple of hundred users in India, and that has really helped us refine the consumer experience and understand the value proposition.
Hello, I'm Biman and I take care of business and partner relationships in India. This is our first test market. As Sailesh has already mentioned, we have already completed our first 100 user trial and we've quickly moved forward to the 500 user trial. Now the learnings from the 100 user trial has been phenomenal. It has led us to include new features such as share and favorites. Users demand more coupons and offers. Subsidized data is proving to be a great incentive for adoption. All of these validate the value conscious characteristics of emerging markets. With the monetization of ads, which is delivered by our high relevance ad targeting platform and supported by machine learning frameworks, we want to solve a very fundamental problem of bringing people online who otherwise do not because of high costs and skepticism of unexpected charges. In India, we have started the integration process with one of the largest telecom operators. We also enjoy support from one of the leading ad networks in India. We are also exploring different opportunities such as OEM factory installation, tying up with spiritual organizations and political parties to drive our business forward. We look forward to join 500 Startups program so as to think through various business as well as technical issues in scaling our business forward. Thank you.